Right now, as you're listening to this, 1 in 3 people in the developed world would describe themselves as lonely. Not sad, not depressed, lonely. The specific feeling that you're surrounded by people, but none of them really know you. But here's what nobody tells you. It's not a mood, it's not weakness, it's not something you fix with a walk or a hobby. Loneliness is a medical condition, and according to a landmark study from Brigham Young University, it kills more people every year than obesity, alcohol, and smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Here's what loneliness actually does to your body. When you're chronically lonely, your brain shifts into threat mode. It reads social isolation the same way it reads physical danger. Your cortisol, your stress hormone, stays permanently high. Your immune system starts attacking your own body. Your cardiovascular system deteriorates. Your sleep breaks down. Your brain literally starts to shrink in the regions responsible for empathy and decision-making. Loneliness rewires you. And the cruel part? The longer you're lonely, the more your brain perceives other people as threats, so you pull away. And pulling away makes you lonelier. It's a trap designed by your own nervous system. This is not happening by accident. For most of human history, you lived in a village of 150 people. You knew everyone. Everyone knew you. You had a role, a place. Then, in just 70 years, we moved everyone into cities, gave them a phone, replaced community hubs with delivery apps, and called it progress. The average American today has fewer close friends than at any point on record. In 1990, the average person had 3 close confidants. Today, that number is 1, and 25% of people say their number is 0. 1 in 4 people have nobody to call in a crisis. We built this world. But stay with me. In 1938, Harvard University began the longest study of human happiness ever conducted. They followed 724 men for over 80 years, tracking their health, careers, relationships, everything. They wanted to know what actually makes a good life. After 80 years, the single clearest finding was this: the quality of your relationships is the strongest predictor of how long you will live. Not your cholesterol, not your exercise, not your career. So why is no one talking about this? Because loneliness is incredibly profitable. A lonely person orders more delivery, buys more online, watches more content, scrolls more. A lonely person is the perfect consumer. Social media wasn't designed to connect you. Internal documents prove it was designed to keep you on the platform. And the cruelest trick is that it gives you just enough of a social hit, a like, a comment, to stop you from seeking the real thing. It's a slot machine designed to replace human connection without ever delivering it. And we handed it to children. Think about this. There are people listening right now who haven't had a real conversation in days. Not a transactional one, a real one, where someone looked at you and actually wanted to know how you were. And the terrifying thing is that that's become normal. We call it independence. We call it being introverted, being busy. We give it every name except the one it actually is. There's an epidemic happening right now. It has no cough, no fever, no visible symptoms, but it's killing more people than almost anything else we discuss. So here's the only thing I want you to do. Think of one person you haven't spoken to in a while, someone you actually like, someone you've been meaning to reach out to. Text them right now. Just, "Hey, I was thinking about you." That's the whole prescription, because the world isn't going to fix this, but you can.